All right, we got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1968 Cutlass S, powered by a strong 455 built motor, power brakes, power steering, ceramic coated headers, aluminum radiator, dual fans, power windows, power top, 12-bolt rear end. Just a nice car. Just a really nice car. Find about 75 to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Please like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Please do that now. If you'd like to pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. More than happy to answer any questions that you have. There's 17-inch American racing wheels on there. Just a nice car. New exhaust all the way back. Again, ceramic coated headers. Couple small chips there that will be touched up. Those are just bugs enjoying them, but nice paint. Another tiny chip right there we'll touch up. Top is in fantastic condition. Glass back. Car. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. About 25 minutes from the International Airport. St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. All the chrome, the bumper, grill, trim. That little hairline crack right there. Nice car. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Little patina on this corner window, but again, I'm just pointing out the minute stuff, pointing out everything that if you were here in person you would see. You carefully inspect. Does not jump out. But this appears to be original with a little patina on it. Same with the rear glass there. Door panels are nice, interior is nice. Power windows. Seats have good. Really nice condition. All the seat belts are intact. It does have a aftermarket tack. That's aftermarket gauges. Aftermarket radio. All four of your power window controls. But nice car. And if you can't make it out in person, there's a small chip there, small one there, and another tiny one there. Again, I'm being picky, I should say. Another teeny imperfection right there. Fordish itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. We have a lift, 2 lifts. We're more than happy to pick it up, put it up on a lift, take it out for a drive, make sure it's a good fit. Do not need all the financing for these cars. We have 3 or 4 lenders, actually a few more than that. So usually it's about 10% down. Credit is everything. So if you have the credit, you can ride usually for about 10% down. You don't have to tie up all your money. Use it for other investments. forgot tilt wheel. Beautiful day. Oh, forgot that. It's got the Hurst shifter, dual gate. So that just pulls down and pulls over. Just a fun car to drive. Again, we're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. Be more than happy to answer any questions you have, any requests. Again, we have 3 warehouses full of classic cars, convertibles, muscle cars, SUVs, trucks. About 30 minutes from an international airport. If for some reason you can't make it or don't want to make it, we accommodate inspections, no problem whatsoever. Just let us know. Fuel gauge, there's your blinker. Car gets up and goes, big block power. Straight down the road too, very nice underneath. Make sure you get online, www.westportautocenter.com. Look at the undercarriage. This car is a Texas car. Nice solid car, great example. Great interior, dash is fantastic. Just a fun riding and driving convertible, very affordable. As you all know, since COVID, the prices of everything have gone up. That's including classic vehicles. But this checks an awful lot of boxes for a big block muscle car convertible with power brakes, power steering, tilt wheel, power top, center console, bucket seats, 12 volt. Again, www.westportautocenter.com, 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. Thanks for watching.